Hello everyone. You have probably heard someone say, we moved everything to Azure. But what does that actually mean? In this video, we will decode Microsoft Azure, the cloud platform that powers thousands of companies without buzzwords. Welcome to GroundUpAzure, where we learn Microsoft Azure from scratch, step by step, just like it's done in real companies. Traditionally, companies brought servers, kept them in a data center, and maintained power, coding, and security. Cloud computing changes that. Instead of owning hardware, you rent servers and services from providers like Microsoft Azure. Think of it as renting office space instead of buying a building. Flexible, scalable, and pay as you go. Azure provides 200 plus services like virtual machines, databases, networks, storage, security related to AI resources, and much more. Big enterprises run ERP systems, fintech apps, even AI models here on the cloud Azure. What makes Azure special is integration with Microsoft 365 and Active Directory. So your office logins and cloud logins stay connected. So that's Azure in one line. It's Microsoft's global data center network you can use on demand. In the next video, we will actually create your own free Azure account and explore the portal. Subscribe us and follow along. We are building real world Azure skills from the ground up.